Hey, this is Margaret at My Favorite Quilt Store, and I wanted to give you a little information about this quilt kit. This is one of my favorites. It's called Social Sharks. It's by Elizabeth Hartman, and she uses her kitchen woven plaids in this quilt kit to make these little sharks just so cute. My little grandbaby is always singing the baby shark song, and so she would be like thrilled to have this quilt. So as you can see, it's a small quilt, 59 by 62, so it is just perfect for a child's quilt. And it uses all these beautiful plaids in it to make this quilt kit. So let me open it up and show you the different fabrics. It's got this wonderful blue Essex linen for the back, Essex fabric for the back. It's got kind of a denim-y look to it, which is really pretty. And then inside, we've got all these beautiful kitchen wovens to do the fun sharks out of, the bodies of the sharks. We've got white and red and black for their teeth, and then it is bound in this beautiful lime green for the binding around that blue to really pop this fabric off the, pop the fabric on the quilt. So anyway, we just love this quilt. Again, it's called Social Sharks by Elizabeth Hartman. She curates every single one of her kits carefully to make sure all the fabrics match and looks wonderful. So this is the size of the quilt is 59 by 62, Social Sharks, and lots of fun. Happy quilting.